Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you on how to add Payout account detail to your Payoneer account. Then you can from there receiving your fund without any stress. So let's see. Very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your Payoneer account successfully. After you have logged in successfully to your Payoneer account, next thing you need to do is to navigate to the sidebar right here. So click on Bank Accounts. Then it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Add Bank Account. This is going to pump up, just like so. Now you need to choose whether your account detail is personal account or business account. So in my own case, it's a personal account. So I'm going to leave it by default, personal account. Then you have to choose your country. The country where the bank was reside. This is where you need to choose it. So I'm leaving it in Nigerian as my default. Then you have to select bank account currency. So right here, I'm going to click on here. I will choose USD. Nigerian currency is Naira, but the account I'm using in this video is USD account, which is also known as domiciliary account. This simply means that I will receive my fund in USD, not in Naira. It's as simple as that. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on Next. Just like so. Now, right here, I have to make sure I click on here to choose the bank name. So the name of the bank here, so we have to make sure I'm going to scroll down. So the bank here is United Bank. Then I'm going to make sure I enter my name right here. So according to the way and manner you have the name on your bank, just make sure that everything is related. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to move to where you need to enter the 10 digits of the account number. Okay. So I'm going to simply enter my account number. So after I successfully have the account number, next thing I'm going to do is to click on I confirm that the bank details above. So next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and then click on Next. So it's going to take you right here. So you have the bank details right here. You have the account detail right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Add Bank Account. Boom. Your bank account has been added. Account approved usually takes up to 30 minutes. We will email you when you can start withdrawing to this account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add bank account or Payout account detail to your Payoneer account, and you start to withdraw your fund from your Payoneer account to that particular bank account you provide for Payoneer. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Payoneer topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.